Hi, this is Eric Stickner of Stickner Photography here in Island Village in Celebration, Florida. Just here checking out the progress on the construction in Phase 2 of Island Village. There's a lot of amazing things going on right now. As you can hear by the noise in the background, they are working hard to get these homes built. Let's check it out and see what they do.
It's now or never. We rise before the sun. The moment they realize it, we'll be gone.